Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about incomplete dominance or else partial dominance. Another name, it is also called as mosaic dominance. So they have a three name: incomplete dominance, partial dominance or mosaic dominance. So it is a non-allelic interaction. Other than allele interaction, we are getting the characters, or else it is also non-Mendelian character. It's allelic interactions and also non-Mendelian characters. The gene interaction between two allele of single locus. This theory, it was proposed by Karl Correns in the year 1864 to 1933. He discovered this theory in the Miraphilus chalafa plant, which is also called as 4-o'clock plants. What is incomplete dominance? Both allele character express their character in the F1 generation. Both allele of character express their character in the F1 generation. F1 individual has an intermediate character between the parents other than parental character, which is expressed in the F1 generations. For example, for this proving this experiment, it chose a Miraphilus chalafa plant, which is also called commonly 4-o'clock plants. So it is have a two-color pure parent is homozygous red flower, which is crossed with this homozygous white flower. In the F1 generation, when we self-pollinate it, instead of red color and white color, we'll get a pink color in the F1 generations. The gene R, capital R, over allele small r. So expression of two gene, capital R and small r. Capital R, its response for red color, and small r, its response for white color, in the same individual lead the production of intermediate characters. So other than parent character, which is expressed in the F1 generation. Here the phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. So due to interaction of two allele leads to the same locus. So with this we are going to see this checkerboard. So parent, so red, another one is white. Red we were capital R and white small r. The gamete which is split into capital R, small r, the F1 generation will get a pink color. When you put it in this checkerboard, capital R and small r, capital R, small r, so capital R into capital R, capital R into small r, capital R into small r, small r, small r. The phenotypic ratio 1:2:1. It is incomplete dominant, which is discovered by Karl Correns, and the plant 4-o'clock plant. So they other than the parental characters, homozygous parent, they expressed this heterozygous offspring which is not present in the parent, which is also called as incomplete dominance, mosaic or else mosaic dominant or partial dominance. Next we move to this topic is codominance. So it is also non-Mendelian inheritance. It is also allelic interactions. What does mean? Both allele characters equally dominant. Both of them express the character in the same generations. Once again repeating, both allele characters, both allele male and female allele characters equally dominant, and both of them express their character in the same generation. None of the allele is masked over another. So it is allelic interactions. Neither allele are dominant or recessive here. It is no more dominant and recessive here. Allele do not blend in the phenotype. The character of the plant parent are mixed together in the form of offspring. So the parental character mixed together, they can produce an offspring. It is an allelic interactions. Heterozygous allele they can reproduce in the F1 generations. The ratio 1:2:1. With, for example, coat color in short corn cattle, ABO blood groups, MN blood groups, sickle cell anemia, and snapdragon, they discover this codominance. They express the both parental character in the same generations, which is also called as codominance. It is an allelic gene interaction and also non-allelic gene interaction. No, neither dominant or recessive, the allele do not print phenotypes. So this is a red full and this white, white cow. When we interact together, so we'll get red full will HR HR and this HW HW. We'll get it 1:2:1 ratio. Okay, so the round tau we will get it in the F1 generations. So what is the difference between this incomplete and codominance? Okay, so the first one is when none of the two allele dominant, but the allele mix of two form a new trace, then the termed as a incomplete dominance. The new character expressed in the F1 generation. When both allele are dominant natures, the trait both allele expressed equally. There is no dominant recessive. They are equally express their character in the F1 generations. First is incomplete dominance. This new character express here, it's equally express their characters. Both allele mix-ups, but one allele its effect we have seen it. But both allele mix-up equally their effect are also seen equally. Incomplete dominance always leads to formation of new phenotype. Codominance, no new phenotype is formed. Example, which is occur in Snapdragon, Miraflora alpha. It is occur in drone, character of cattle, and platypus in human being. Their phenotypic ratio 1:2:1 in codominance and incomplete dominance. So this theory is proposed by Karl Korens. Okay, so it is incomplete dominant intermediate character it is expressed here. It is the mixed character which is expressed regarding a difference between incomplete and codominance. Thank you friends, thank you watching over this video.